Onion, potato and palmito tortilla. A main dish from Costa Rica. Serves 4. You will need 6 ingredients. Step 1. Peel potatoes and slice into 1/8 inch thick rounds. Toss with 2 tablespoons olive oil and season generously with salt and pepper. Spread on baking sheet and bake at 475 degrees Fahrenheit until cooked through. Saute about onion 10 slices in 1 tablespoon Remove olive from oil oven and over reduce medium oven heat temperature until to soft 350 degrees Fahrenheit. About 10 minutes. Season generously with salt and pepper. Step 3. Season eggs to taste with salt and pepper and lightly beat in medium bowl. Add cooked onion, diced heart of palm and potato and stir to coat evenly. Step 4. Wipe out skillet. Heat remaining half a tablespoon olive oil over medium-high heat. Add egg mixture, shaking pan to prevent sticking. Spread out mixture evenly in pan. Reduce temperature to medium and Bake cook at until 350 degrees and bottom is golden brown when sides are lifted with spatula, or broil until top is set, about 2 minutes. Country reports, culture, countries, travel.